Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to premiere a YouTube video. In order to do that, all you have to do is go to YouTube. As you get inside YouTube, because first, before premiering, make sure to upload a video. To do that, all you have to do is click on this upload icon. Click on upload videos. Make sure you're logged in with the channel that you're uploading a video on. And in here, when you get to this screen, click on select files and upload any video that you want. Just click on it and it starts getting uploaded. And you want to premiere it, all you have to do is add some description and make sure it's not for kids and elements. Go for checks, it will take time. And in here you will see how you can premiere your YouTube video. So there are two options in premiering your YouTube video. Either it's public, which means your video will be uploaded instantly, but if you set as an instant premiere, which means your video will be uploaded as a premiere, which means all the audience will be watching with you live, and they can do as a live chat as well, so you can text them watching your videos together. And if you want to go instant, you can click on that. Means at that moment your video will go live and people are watching it with you, and they can even go for super chats, which means you can get earning, or through your fans who want to pay you and want to talk. But if you want to premiere it in the future, you can go to schedule and set up the date you want, and finally click on a set as a premiere, which means it will be uploaded on future date, but people will know it earlier. For example, you just premiere it and it will appear on your YouTube channel that this video is going to be uploaded on that date and it's a premiere. So all the other people will be there once that video is uploaded, and you will also be available on that date. So it's like letting know people that you will be going to upload the video on that day. If you don't click it, nobody will know if you're going to upload a video on that day or at that time. It will suddenly appear on that day according to time you mentioned, if you don't set up as a premiere. But if you set it up as a premiere, it will appear on your YouTube channel, but video won't be available, just a thumbnail. So on that day when the video is launched, your video will be completely available. After that, you're gonna click on a schedule, and that way your video is premiered on your YouTube channel. So if you think you like this video, make sure to leave a comment below. We'll catch you up in the next video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.